A very warm good evening to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lieutenant Colonel Vishal Atri, retired Director, Warriors Defence Academy, Ambala. Folks, this video of mine is particularly for those young boys and girls who are preparing to get into Defence Forces as officers. Well, I will cover SSB in particular in this video. Before I do that, I will tell two very, very important things to all the aspirants. First is that if you have to become an officer in the Defence Forces, the spoken part of English and written part of English is very important. Which is to say that you must have a good command over English language, both in spoken part and in written part. Okay. While a lot of people ask you why is this so? This is so because the medium of communication and the entire office work is all done in English in the Defence Forces. Well, whether you like it or you don't like it, this is how it is. Okay, you may not be very fluent, but then you should be able to convincingly express yourself both in writing and spoken part, and you should train for it. In 2, 3, 4, 5 months, you will start feeling a visible difference in you, and you will be much better than what you are today the moment you start preparing. So that is one. And secondly is Defence Forces expect their officers to be aware of what is happening in the country, what is happening in the world. So in that direction, you must start preparing India's relation with its neighbors. You should start preparing India's relation with economic and military superpowers. Okay, and you should start preparing the mutual relations between these economic and military superpowers. You should start preparing the impact of their relations on India, and well, if you can give a recommendation, nothing like it. Okay, so these are the first two very important things which I said. You should be aware of what's happening in the country and in the world. You should start working hard on your spoken and written part of English. Okay, so these are two important things if you want to become an officer in the Defence Forces. Now coming to SSB, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, Defence Forces is looking at key 15 qualities which the Defence Forces call officer-like qualities. Okay. Now you must understand that because of our same social background, same moral ethical values, generally same reaction to given situations, and being in the same environment, 99.9% of us have those qualities. Okay. So you please need not worry. But in spite of that, you find the rate of selection or recommendation in the SSB is far less. The problem is definitely not in the selection procedure. The problem is definitely not in you. Where does the problem lie? See, the problem lies in exhibiting those qualities properly. Okay, you must know how to exhibit those qualities properly. So towards that, we are starting an online batch from 25th of June, and you can get yourself enrolled in that. We will tell you how to go about the SSB part of it. See, you must understand there are 3 officers who are testing you for these 15 qualities, and everybody is independent. Okay, all 3 officers are independent, and even in the final conference you are only referred to as chest number, and nobody really knows who you are. Okay, and there is a psychologist who works on a psychology, who sees your psychology, tests on your psychological part. Then there is a group testing officer who tests you in how do you perform in a group, and then there is an interviewing officer who also based on your basically primarily based on your PIQ form, he checks you or he tests you in your interview. Now you will be surprised that in almost 100% of the cases, their recommendations are more or less same. So there is a set procedure to it, and you have to go about it in a very, very sequential, in a very professional manner. Okay, you can't just one fine day get up and say I will go for SSB and I will clear it. That's not going to happen. I'm so sorry. So now towards that you have to prepare, and let me tell you, these qualities everyone has, but you have to live those qualities. Okay, you just can't one fine day say that I have those qualities, I'll get through. No, you have to exhibit. You will be able to only exhibit if you have practiced it under a good instructor. You have practiced it with your heart and soul. It is only then that is going to happen. Okay. So, there are misconception about being very, very positive in the SSB. Now, it does not, this particular word positiveness, positivity, this, you guys take it far too, seriously. You are not supposed to do this. Okay. Don't create a negative situation and then create a positive outcome. Okay. What you have to do is, you have to be practical in your approach. Okay. You have to, if let's say you are writing a story, that story must look reasonable. The story must look practical. The achievements of your character must look achievable, and it should look doable. All right. So, in your group testing, while you are in the group, you have to be very natural. You have to be very natural. A lot of time you find, people are just staring at the group testing officer, whether the group testing officer is watching you or not. Ladies and gentlemen, you please be very clear. The group testing officers are are so well trained that they are actually seeing you through and through. Okay. So please don't keep staring at them, keep looking at them while you're performing your tasks. Okay. Same interview, small little things matter. Okay. And we will start this online batch from 25th, and you have to be very clear that it will take some time. The 14 days online course will start, but you will have to keep practicing, and you will have to practice a lot. Otherwise, you are not getting through. It's not as simple. Okay. It's not as simple. And so join my classes. All right. And we can discuss out and see. The problem with this big institutes where you have 200, 300 candidates, the problem with these institutes are that, while whatever they tell you is by and large going to be same. Whatever anybody who's trained on SSB, whatever he's going to tell you is going to be by and large same. Okay. What matters is practice. So, majority of these big institutes or big names will not give you practice. Okay. And that is where you lack. They will tell you how it is supposed to be done, but you need practice to do it. Okay. That's another thing. And my last advice before I wind up this video is, please do not go by these SSB training books which you get in the market for 200, 300, 400 bucks. Okay. Please do not do that. Please. This is not going to help. You can just take it as a reference book. You can just take it as a practice book. You can practice stories, you can practice, words about it, you can practice situations. But please understand, please do not see the solutions. Okay. You can do it as practice, but for your solution, you must go to somebody who is an expert on this, somebody who can teach you. Okay. So with this, I wrap up my video, and I shall be starting my classes from 25th, and hope to see you all there. Okay. Anybody who is interested to join must write SSB in capital and WhatsApp on my number 70639-10231. And please don't worry if we don't get back to you in a day or two. We will surely get back to you with details. And so kindly note my number again, 70639-10231. Write SSB in capital and WhatsApp on this number. Okay. Hope to see you all there. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.